नमस्कार दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल पर। अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन दबा दें, जिससे कि कोई भी लेटेस्ट वीडियो अगर हम अपलोड करते हैं तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। आज डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के हम बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एल्गोरिथम को जानने वाले हैं, दैट इज़ प्रिम्स एल्गोरिथम। इसका इस्तेमाल हम करेंगे किसी भी गिवन ग्राफ से हमें मिनिमम स्पैनिंग ट्री प्राप्त करने के लिए। ओके, सो लेट सपोज हमारा एक गिवन ग्राफ क्या है, ग्राफ G है, जिसमें A, B, C, D, E, F जो नोड्स हैं वो एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड हुए हैं और उनके लिए वेटेड एजेस दी गई हैं। ओके, अनडायरेक्टेड ग्राफ है। कंसीडर करते हुए हमें मिनिमम स्पैनिंग ट्री ड्रा करना है इस प्रिम्स एल्गोरिथम का इस्तेमाल करके। तो जो प्रिम्स एल्गोरिथम होती है उसमें सबसे पहला काम हम करते हैं कि जब कोई भी लूप है उसको सबसे पहले रिमूव करते हैं। तो हम देखें तो अपने पूरे ग्राफ में एक जगह लूप है, लूप मीन्स जहाँ से हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं उसी पॉइंट पे आ जा रहे हैं एक एज का इस्तेमाल करके। तो जो लूप एज है उसको हम सबसे पहले रिमूव कर देंगे। ओके, देन वी हैव रिमूव्ड दिस वन, सो नाउ इट इज़ डन। सो दिस पॉइंट वी हैव कंसिडर्ड। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एनी पैरेलल एज अगर अवेलेबल है तो उनको रिमूव करो। यहाँ पे पैरेलल एजेस हैं, दैट इज B to D। देयर इज अ 2 एजेस, वन इज 7 weight, another is 9 weight. Okay, the edge with the maximum weight we will remove that one, so this is removed. Now this edge is also removed. Now if you see, there is no any parallel edge or loops is available. Now we are good to go with the Prim's algorithm. So in Prim's algorithm it is up to us, any edge we can pick. Okay, let's suppose we have picked our is A as a root. Okay, we have taken A as our root, then we will see how many edges connected to this A, that is there is a 2 edges, that is A to B and A to C. Out of these two which one is the lowest weight? Okay, so lowest weight जो है A to B के लिए है, तो हम A to B edge बना लेंगे। Okay, this is now we have formed one of the edge with the 2 vertices for our spanning tree. This is spanning tree we are making with the help of Prim's algorithm. Okay, next we will see B is connected to C, B is connected to D. Okay, there is 7 4. We will not only consider these 2 edges, we should also consider other edge which we didn't taken yet. Okay, that is 9. Okay, 9 4 7, which one is the lowest one? That is edge between B to C having the lowest edge weight, that is 4. Correct. Now still we have available what and all? 9 7 we have not taken. Okay, as soon as we have reached to C, now we can go to D, we can go to E, we can go to B, we can go to A. Now we have to decide which edge, this already considered. Okay, which is from 9 7 5 4 we have to consider. So the one which having the lowest edge we will lowest weight we will consider that edge, that is C to E. Okay, fair enough. Now we can go from E to D, we can go from E to F. Okay, which one we should consider? Let's suppose I have considered one, that is F. Okay, why F? Whatever edges are available, that is 9, what and all we have considered? 8 we have considered, 4 we have considered, this 4 we have considered, and now we have to decide which next we have to consider. Okay, so from this we have to consider either E to D, either E to F, either E to the edge which is available here, A. So 9, okay, 9 3 3 6 7, all these are the available edges with the weight. So we have only 2 edges which having equal weight, those are the minimum from available edges. Okay, so this will be the next. Let's suppose I have taken this one, D. Okay, correct, this is 3, this is done now. Okay, we are still left with one node. Okay, that is F. Now we have to decide 9 7 5 3 6. Which one is the lowest? Lowest is the E to F, that is 3. Okay. If you see carefully that we have visited all the nodes A, B, C, D, E, F, and we have considered every time minimum weight is okay. So that's why it is a minimum spanning tree we have now find with the help of Prim's algorithm. Okay. So what is the weight? 8 plus 4 plus 4, then 3 plus 3. Okay. So that is 12 plus 4 16, and 22 is the total weight of spanning tree. Hope this is clear to you. In next video lecture we will see the Kruskal algorithm to find out the minimum spanning tree. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.